In this video, we'll explore the process of transferring your music library from Apple Music to Spotify, and the best part is, it's easier than you might think. But before we delve into the steps, if you're excited to unlock the seamless transition between these music providers, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is crucial in shaping the content we bring to you. Now, let's get started. Now, to make this transition hassle-free, we'll be using a free app called SongShift. It's readily available on the App Store for iPhone users, and for those on Android, you can find similar apps like Free Your Music on the Play Store. After downloading SongShift, open the app and initiate the setup process for your music services. SongShift supports various platforms, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on Apple Music and Spotify. Grant the necessary permissions and sign in to your accounts for both services. Once your sources are linked, you can commence the transfer process. Tap the plus icon to start a new shift. Choose Apple Music as your source and select the playlists you want to transfer. You can do this one at a time or toggle on the multiple playlist option for a more efficient process. Then select Spotify as your destination. Ensure New Playlist is selected. The app will begin processing the transfer. If you want to monitor the progress, tap on the processing option at the top. After completion, the app will ask you to confirm matches, and once confirmed, your music will be successfully transferred to Spotify. Keep in mind that the time it takes depends on the number of playlists you're transferring. It's worth noting that in our experience, SongShift successfully matched and processed playlists, although a minor hiccup was observed in a playlist with an extensive track list. For most users, this process should seamlessly transfer your music library. And there you have it. A quick and effective guide on how to smoothly transition your playlists from Apple Music to Spotify. Whether you're taking advantage of a promotional offer or seeking features not available on your current platform, this method makes the switch easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe with notifications on. Your engagement motivates us to create more content like this. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.